Okay, good morning students. In continuation, we'll see the problems on evolutionary boiling points. Problems. Okay, just I will write one problem here. A solution containing 2.5 grams of non-volatile solute in 100 grams of benzene. Boiled at a temperature of 0.42 degrees centigrade, higher than did pure solvent. Did the pure solvent. What is the molecular weight of solute? Kb of benzene. Kb of benzene is 2.67 Kelvin kg per mole. Okay, this is the data. Okay, here this is the data. Okay, see the solution. What they ask to calculate the molecular weight of the solute. What is the principle? Okay, delta Tb is equal to Kb into weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by Wa. This is the principle. Yes, na? What they ask to calculate Mb. Okay, you take cross multiplication. Mb comes this side. Mb calculate molecular weight of the solute means Mb. Mb is equal to what they will get? Okay, Kb into Wb into 1000 by delta Tb comes this side, delta Tb into Wa. Okay, here data see. Kb is equal to 2.67 Kelvin kg per mole. Okay, Wb is equal to weight of solute. 2.5 grams is there, benzene 100 grams is there. Which is solute, which is solvent? Okay, 100 grams is solvent, 2.5 grams is the benzene. 2.5 grams. Okay, next 1000 as usual. Weight of solvent 100 grams. Okay, now delta Tb is equal to, see here, boiled at temperature 0.42, higher than the pure solvent. We don't want pure solvent, we don't want solution. Which is higher? Delta Tb 0.42. 0.42. Okay, here Mb is equal to, right, what is the Kb? 2.67, Wb 2.5 into 1000 by delta Tb 0.42 into Wa 100 grams. Here you will get the Mb value in grams. Okay, here what is the value? C 2.67 into 2.5 into 1000. 6675 by 0.42, sorry, into 100, 42. Okay, here 6675 divided by 42. 158.9 grams. 158.9 grams. Okay, this is the MB value. Okay, we'll do like this only. Very easy problems. We'll do like this only. This is the first problem. In continuation, we'll see the second problem. Let's second problem. A solution containing 2.44 grams of a solute dissolved in 75 grams of water. Okay, boil set 100.413 degrees centigrade, while pure water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Calculate molecular weight of solute. Kb of water is equal to 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, here first you calculate that they won't give the elevation in boiling point. First you calculate the elevation in boiling point. Delta TB is equal to, okay, here Ts minus T0. This is the principle. Before that, write the data. Ts is equal to 100.413 degrees centigrade. Okay, here T0 is equal to, okay, here is equal to 100 degrees centigrade, and here Kb is equal to 0.52, and here solute, what Mb, sorry, Wb is equal to 2.44 grams. Okay, next Wa is equal to 75 grams. You calculate the Wb. First you calculate the, you don't know about the delta Tb, then you calculate the delta Tb. Delta Tb is equal to, what is the Ts? 100.413 minus T0 100. Okay, so delta Tb is equal to 0.000, sorry, we'll see, I think 0.413 degrees centigrade. This is the elevation in boiling point. Yes, na? Elevation in boiling point. Next, calculate molecular weight. What is the principle? Delta Tb is equal to Kb into Wb by Mb into 1000 by Wa. This is the principle. We need to calculate Mb. Mb is equal to cross multiplication. Kb into Wb into 1000 by delta Tb into Wa. Okay, here what is the Kb? 0.52 into WB 75 grams. Sorry, WB 2.44 grams into 1000 by delta TB 0.413 into WA 75 grams. See here, 0.52 into 2.44 into 1000. 1268.8 by 0.413 into 75. 0.413 into 75. 30.975. The value is 126.8 divided by 30.975. 40.96 grams. 40.96 grams. Okay, that is the KB, MB of solute, molecular mass of solute. Okay, continuation. We will see the one more problem. It's compulsory one problem in examination biography. Here I am writing a word problem. Okay, this is the different one. 18 grams of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water. 1 kg of water. At what temperature? At what temperature will water boil? Water boil at 1.013 bar pressure. KB of water is equal to 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. This is the data. Okay, what they asked, 18 grams of glucose. 18 grams of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg water. At what will temperature? At what temperature will water boil? Okay, water. What they give data? Ask. What they asked? TS asked. Delta TB we don't know. T naught 100 degrees centigrade. What is the T naught? Water na, so 100 degrees centigrade. T naught. Next here WB is here 18 is there. Next here WA 1 kg. That means you take 100 grams, 1000 grams. Convert it to 1000 grams. This is the data. Okay, here pressure given. We don't use the pressure. Need not use the pressure. What you calculate? First you calculate delta TB. Okay, then you will get the delta TS. Then you will get the TS. First you calculate delta TB. Delta TB is equal to KB into WB by MB. And here MB, glucose given na, glucose molecular weight is equal to 180. calculate glucose molecular formula C6H12O6. It's a glucose molecular formula. Okay, atomic weight is 180 into 1000 by WA. It's the principle. We calculate delta TB. KB is what? 0.52 into, okay, WB how much? 18 by NB 180 into 1000 by 1000. 1000 get cancelled. Okay, here tens are delta TB is equal to 0.52 into 1 by 10 means 0.1. Here we get answer. What is that? 0.52 into 0.1. 0.052 degree centigrade. TB, delta TB, elevation in boiling point. Okay, what they asked? Water boils. Water boils means after the addition of solute to solvent. Okay, at which temperature water boils? That means solution. Delta TB is equal to Ts minus T0. That means we know that delta TB here 0.052. Ts is, we should calculate. We calculate T0 is 100 degrees. Then Ts is equal to 100 plus 0.052. How much? Plus 100. 100.052 degree centigrade. 100.052 degree centigrade. Okay, first, what is the problem? 18 grams of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water. At what temperature will water boils? At 1.013 bar pressure. Kb of that one is 0.52 Kelvin per kg, Kelvin kg per mole unit. Molar elevation boiling point constant. Okay, use principle. Delta TB is equal to Kb into WB by NB into 1000 by WA. What they ask? After the addition of solute, calculate the boiling point of that one. Okay, that is, okay, here Ts, you calculate the Ts. Okay, T should be calculated. Ts means we know the, what we know here, T0, 100 degrees centigrade, and that is a fixed. Should calculate the delta TB. If you know the two terms, then we calculate third term. Okay, 0.052 is equal to Ts minus 100. Ts is equal to 100 plus 0.02 is equal 0.052 is equal to 100.052 degrees centigrade. Okay, this is a one more problem. We'll see in continuation. Last problem today. All these are the different problems. Fourth problem. The boiling point of benzene, pure benzene, is 353.23 Kelvin. Don't think about Kelvin or degree centigrade. Answer will be only Kelvin or degree centigrade. Then 1.80 grams of a non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 grams of benzene. 90 grams of benzene. The boiling point is raised 11 Kelvin. Calculate molar mass of solute. This is the problem. Kb is equal to here 2.53 kg per mole. Kelvin kg per mole. Okay, and here what is the principle? Calculate the molar mass. Same principle. Okay, delta TB is equal to Kb into WB by MB into 1000 by here WA. First we should calculate the delta T. Okay, how to calculate delta TB? Delta TB is equal to TS minus T0. TS minus T0. What is the TS here? The boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin. That is T0. This is T0. Pure benzene rise. This is solution. This is TS. Delta TB is equal to TS is 354.11 minus 353.23. So what is the value? 354.11 minus 353.23. 0 point value is 0.88 degree Kelvin. 0.88 Kelvin. We take in Kelvin. Okay. Next. Delta TB is equal to 0.88 Kelvin. Yes, na? Delta TB is equal to 0.88 Kelvin. Or next, what is the Kelvin value? 2.53 here. 2.53 into. Okay, WB is otherwise you can cross multiply. MB is equal to, okay, here KB into WB into 1000 by delta TB into WA. MB is equal to KB is what? 2.53. Yes, this one. Into WB. WB means weight of solute. Okay, here when 1.8 grams of non-volatile solute, that is WB. This is WB. Okay, what is that? 1.80 into 1000 by delta TB is this one, 0.88 into WA. WA is what? Dissolved 90 grams of benzene. 90. Here we calculate. First, 2.53 into 1.80 into 1000. 4554 answer. 0.88 into 90. 79.2. Next, 4554 divided by 57.5 grams of solute. 57.5 grams of solute. That is the okay elevation in boiling point. What is the elevation in boiling point? Yesterday we discussed it. And one more problem. Just I will write here one more problem. Fifth problem. the boiling point of 2 mark question. Water is 100 degree centigrade. 100 degree centigrade. After the addition of sugar, the boiling point of water, rising 100.102.73 degree centigrade. What is boiling point of, what is the boiling point, elevation in boiling point? What is elevation in boiling point? This is a simple problem. Okay, if you know the principle, direct will do. If you know the principle, direct will do. Okay, what is that? Delta TB is equal to, what is the principle for elevation in boiling point? Delta TB is equal to Ts minus T0. This is after now. This is Ts. This before now. T0. What is the value? Delta TB is equal to, Ts is 102.73 minus 100. Okay, is equal to 2.17 degree centigrade. This is the elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point. This is about the elevation in boiling point problems. Okay, tomorrow we'll see, next video we'll see how we determine the elevation in boiling point by using different experimental methods. We'll see in continuation those experimental methods. After that, we'll move into the one more, depression in freezing point. What is the meaning of depression in freezing point? Okay, the freezing point of water decreases. The freezing point of water decreases by the addition of non-volatile solute to pure solvent. That we called as, depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point indicated with delta TF. Delta TF is equal to T0 minus Ts. This is the principle. We'll see that principle and all those. Thank you.